I'm at the FFA fair. Trying not to post the plate. But it's a Plymouth. It's Fred Flintstone on the inside. Deluxe.
Get in the car. What is this? Here, I'll make a copy. Pontiac GTO.
You heard it. Pontiac GTO.
Get in the car.
It's a drag racer.
You're gonna get me stuck in here, Jacoby.
No. If a 280-pound kid can get in there, you can get in there. Now I'm ready.
Yo, I found this cool thing. I don't know who the heck owns it, but this thing is nice. It's a nice Hyundai Elantra. It's got the nice dent. You can tell this thing's got some war damage. Nice 6-cylinder.
Oh, don't hit your head.
Please, get me stuck in there, Jacoby.
Drag car.
Thank you.
I don't want to post any plates. Got John Deere. Well, that's that part of the FFA fair.